Today, we'll be showing you how to remove and replace your door catch on this LG electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. First thing we'll want to do is open the door to gain access to the door catch. Door catch is in the inside portion of the frame here. You have a catch and they have a strike that is actually on the door that slides into the catch. Now, what I typically find is that when a catch is bad, the door does not stay closed. That's because the inside portions that are pressing against the strike are damaged. The best thing you can do is a visual inspection. Make sure nothing's stuck in there. See if it's actually tight. If it's broken inside, it'll need to be replaced. It's held on by 2 Phillips screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Go ahead and take these off. We will wiggle this out of here and set it to the side. When installing your new catch, you'll notice there's a little bit of a slant on this side. Make sure that corresponds with the opening of the door. We will reinstall our Phillips screws. Make sure the door opens and shuts. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.